Next, we are going to look at how restrooms work in the art room. So for bathrooms, I have a few very simple rules. They are off limits during instruction, demos, and cleanup. So it'd be the first 5 minutes of class and the last 5 minutes of class, and then any time, like right now, where you're receiving direct instruction. It is one student at a time, not one boy, one girl. We are sharing the bathroom with multiple other classes, and there simply isn't enough space for multiple people to be going at the same time. I should have a pass on the door. If the pass is not there, please don't ask me to go because it means somebody else is gone. You are required to sign out with your name, your grade, and the time you left when you leave. And we are using the hallway bathroom. So I'm going to show you how this works. When you leave the classroom, you'll walk to the inner doors. You can see the hallway through them. There is a little sign out sheet on the door. There is a watch that includes the time, which you'll write down here where it says time. You'll write your grade and you'll write your name. That is required before you leave. Obviously, I don't have the pass, so I shouldn't be leaving since there is no pass on the door for me to take. All right, when I leave, I'm going to push the push bar since the door will always be locked. I'm going to come out, turn left to these double doors, and walk forward. I'm going to go through. Water fountains are to the left. Bathrooms are straight forward. PE, which you should not be going into, is to the right. So we have our boys' bathroom and our girls' bathroom. When you're finished, you will come back. Heading back to the double doors that are leading to the hallway. If they are locked, you're going to simply need to push the door in to make sure it's all the way closed and then try to pull again. Then you'll come right back down, turn your first right, and there is the art room. When you are back, please knock, as the door will most definitely be locked. And that's it for the bathrooms.